Okay, let's see what we have today. So I'm gonna open the box. Okay, today we have these clips, and they come in many different colors. This one's like gold. This one's light blue. And there's black. A darker blue. I would say this is orange, green, pink, red, purple, and black. Oh, so this was gray and that was black. Okay. So these clips are really useful for like putting your keys on like your pants, or for me, I like to put it on my backpack. Okay, so to put on your keys, just push this and it opens, and then you can put your keys through it like that. And for me, I like to put it on my backpack so my keys are always by me, like quick access. I just hook it on my backpack and it's always there with me. See? It's so convenient. And then if I just want to use my keys, all I have to do is press this and then the keys come out. So easy. But you must remember that do not use this for climbing. Not for climbing. Yeah, it's a safety reason. These are not strong enough for climbing. It's just good enough for using your keys, you know? Yeah. These are really strong. Made out of metal. Yeah, I would recommend these. I love it.